Hey everybody, this is Jaywan. I'm one of the teachers at Heroes Rise Street Dance Academy, and we're gonna do some breaking today. Today we're going to teach you a move called the Outlaw step. This move has 3 parts: cross step, salsa rock, and a hand style. So let's get with this cross step first. What you want to do is you want to cross your leg and step forward every time. And you want to make sure that your weight is in the front leg. So it just goes like this. So you're crossing over. Second part for the Outlaw step for the leg is going to be the salsa rock or the Latin rock. So what it is just a kick forward. So you go kick, kick, like that. So you're going to do kick and cross, kick and cross, kick and cross, kick and cross. That's why it's the 1 and 2. So you go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here is the move put together with the arms, with the legs, the Outlaw step, with the classic biker gang style, hand style. That was the Outlaw, and this is how I do it.